We are here family, and it's glad to meet you guys, whoever watching this video.
So this week started off with a little bit of a surprise outside.
Yeah, it snowed.
The kids bundled up and went outside and even played in the snow. There was that much on the ground. It was pretty awesome. But did you like it?
Yeah.
Who wants to talk about the little visitor we had at our back door this week? Lincoln. Who was it?
When store is new fence, he died to Devon nut.
Yeah, he came right up our back steps, looked in our window, and thought, "You guys gonna give me any food?"
And we did.
It worked.
Yeah, he came right up. He was a little nervous to come get the nut from right on our step. Yeah.
From a first step.
We went on another bike ride. Lincoln is getting so good.
Yeah, like
Sorry.
I'm perfect, but I can fight on gas. Kind of. Yeah, kind of. And I can not start by my own. We went canoeing too.
It was an excellent trip down the Grand River. We did a new section of the river that we haven't done before.
We were canoeing along and all of a sudden up ahead we heard a noise. What did we hear?
Rain. And it was one waterfall.
It was a waterfall.
Not rain.
It wasn't raining.
We had no idea there was going to be a waterfall, and we came around and there was this beautiful, like 25-foot waterfall. Yeah, we pulled over and went and played by the waterfall. We got a little wet, but that's okay.
And I did do water toss and Mom.
So this morning we woke up really early.
And saw the cherry blossoms.
Yes, we went and saw the cherry blossoms. Usually every year we get to Toronto, the past few years at least, and they have a beautiful display of cherry blossoms. But this year, with limited travel, we stayed close to home, and I didn't know there were any blossoms in town, but we heard of some in a little park nearby. So there were only a few trees, but it was so nice to get out.
And then after that, we went over to Victoria Park and walked around there for a little bit.
Yep.
Saw some swans and some
tulips.
geese. Tulips.
Yes, very nice tulips. We were supposed to be camping this weekend. It's a long weekend here in Canada, but as expected, our camping reservations were canceled, but that was all right. We still had a really nice weekend here.
Thanks for watching.
Bye!
Bye.
Hit subscribe and follow us as we adventure close to home and around the world.